What's up YouTube? Hello and welcome in new video. Today's video is the first unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max Alpine Green, the new color. So before we start the video, don't miss to put a like and subscribe for the channel. The pre-order of the device, it will start tomorrow 11 March. So here in the box we will have the new iPhone with the new color, the iPhone 13 Pro Max Alpine Green. It's really amazing color. For me it's the best color option. For the rest of the box we will have an ejection pen, some manuals, and for sure the charge cable. It's a lightning cable. This is all we have in the box of the iPhone 13 Pro Max Alpine Green. It's a regular unboxing of an iPhone 13 Pro Max. Even the price, there is no difference between this color and the other color options. So guys, let me know in the comments if you like this color or you like another color options. Anyway, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max Alpine Green, the unboxing of the device. Don't miss to share the video with one of your friends that he have an iPhone with another color. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.